This is a beautiful 1970s MGB, and it has the RoverV8 under the hood here. They made this model from 1973 through 1976. Beautiful interior, very comfortable looking. MGB is really a very nice car, and has the manual gear shift. Very nice instrument panel. Now the ancestry of this Rover V8 really started life as the Buick aluminum V8, and they sold it to MG, and so this is the result. They made this V8 version for several years until inflation kind of caused a problem with much increased costs, so they finally had to drop it. But it was really a very nice combination, very sprightly indeed. In fact, I have an article that I have a reference to that talks about the this Rover engined MGB and its performance capabilities. Very fast, very nimble. As you can see, it's a very nice installation there. Some might object to those headlight changes, but it's probably brighter than the original. Nice paint on this car too, as well as the top looks new, and there's the luggage rack there on the back. The car has a CB radio, very interesting, along with the regular one. There you can see the antenna for the CB. That used to be very popular. Very nice car.